How to change Picsart language. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change language in Picsart. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. So here in your profile, here on the top, you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it. Now tap on settings. So here in your settings interface, but here there's no such option as changing language or region because Picsart doesn't give you that option. So what is the solution? Picsart automatically changes the language or gives you the language according to what region you are in. So if you are in a different region or a different country, the language will be updated automatically. You do have to do nothing about it. So the only way is changing the region and you will automatically get the language that you need. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.